Know who's there, even when you're not, with the ADT Doorbell Camera and the ADT Plus app. This video walks you through setting up your wired doorbell and connecting it to your ADT Blu system. Let's get started. Unpack your ADT Doorbell Camera and make sure you have everything you need from the box. For this installation, you'll need additional tools, including a tape measure, drill, and a Phillips head screwdriver. And for a smooth experience, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on. The ADT Plus app is installed and ready, and you have your Wi-Fi network name and password handy. Pro tip: before you start, make sure to fully charge your doorbell using the included USB cable. Pause the video here and gather what you need. When you're ready, press play and we'll pick up where we left off. You'll install this doorbell in the same spot as your existing one. Make sure the area is well lit, has strong Wi-Fi, and a clear view of visitors and packages. For privacy, avoid aiming the camera toward a neighboring property. Next, let's connect your doorbell to your ADT Plus account. Sign in to the ADT Plus app. In the app, open Devices from the menu at the top, or from the bottom navigation, depending on your app version. Then tap the plus icon. Choose Camera. Then select ADT Doorbell Camera. Follow the in-app prompts to allow ADT Plus access to your Bluetooth. Next, remove the mounting plate by inserting the release pin into the hole on the top of the doorbell. Press it until it clicks. Then remove the pin and lift the doorbell off the mounting plate. Tap Continue in the app. To put the doorbell in pairing mode, use the release pin to press and hold the pairing button for 3 seconds. And when the LED flashes blue, tap Continue in the app. Choose your Wi-Fi network and enter your Wi-Fi password. Connecting can take up to 3 minutes. Once you see that your doorbell is connected, tap Next. Before mounting your doorbell camera, go to the installation spot and use the app to test your Wi-Fi strength. Follow the in-app prompts to confirm your connection is strong. Once your Wi-Fi connection is strong, you're ready to install the doorbell. Tap Next. Make sure you have an existing doorbell in Chime, then select Wired to move on to the mounting steps. Before you start, turn off the power to your existing doorbell at the breaker. Press the doorbell to confirm it doesn't chime. If it stays silent, the power is off. When you're sure the power is off, tap Continue in the app. Remove your old doorbell and disconnect the wires. Secure the wires and make sure they don't slip into the opening. Hold the doorbell in place. The app will show a live view. Check your placement and decide whether you need to use the angled bracket for installation. If necessary, follow the in-app steps to attach it to the back of the mounting plate. Now, hold the mounting plate in position with the terminal screws up and mark the screw placement. Drill the pilot holes with a power drill. If you're using wall anchors, insert them now. Pull the wires through the opening, then position the mounting plate over the pre-drilled holes and secure it to the wall with the provided screws. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to attach a wire to each terminal screw. Wires can connect to either terminal. Finally, position the doorbell over the mounting plate. Slide it down and press it until it clicks in place. Tug gently to confirm it's secure, then tap Continue in the app. At your breaker box, flip the breaker on to restore power to your doorbell, then tap Next in the app. Now, choose the chime type you'd like to use. Then press the doorbell button to give it a quick test and make sure it rings. Tap Next. You'll also choose whether you'd like to have a chime sound play on your base. Now let's name your doorbell. Choose a preset location from the list, or enter a custom name in the device name field. Tap Next when you're finished. That's it. Your ADT doorbell camera is ready. Tap Add another device if you have more to set up, or tap Done to finish. Need help? Visit the ADT Support Center at help.adt.com for more information about your ADT Blu devices and system, or to chat with us.